What's up friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now in today's video I'm going to show you how to make your Google Docs document one page long, right? So simply to make it pageless. And what that means is that if you currently look at this document, it is currently 3 pages, right? And you will see that. So it's 3 pages, and what we're going to do is just simply remove the different pages right here, right? So how do we go about doing that to make this one page long, right? So how do we do that? We simply click on the file from the menus, then click on page setup, and here where you have the 2 options, page and pageless, you want to click on pageless, and you simply want to click on OK. Now once I click on OK, it will be set to pageless. Now if you want to set this as default for whenever you go back to any document, all you have to do is just set it as default, right? So I'm going to simply leave it as that and click OK so that you can see it. And if you look at this document right now, you see that it is one long document, simply pageless. And if I simply go back here and just put more information here, more information here, more information here, more information here, you realize that it is still one long page, no separation, and simply one document, right? Very easy and very simple. And that's how you create one long page in Google Docs and simply make it pageless. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.